Prepare for a 2-minute transition. So by now, in your life of the quiet mind, the 2 minutes is simply a transition, simply a landing pod and a place where you can gather yourself, your thoughts, and have an interlude of quiet, no matter where you are. You can do this with your eyes open, your eyes closed. You can do it if you have to deal with a big negotiation and just find your poise. See what ways you can find for 2-minute transitions. Eyes open, eyes closed, but no eye contact, no talking, simply being with yourself. Now, shortly, we are going to have a longer meditation today, and it will last for about 6 minutes. Therefore, you may need a little more fuel to keep the mind focused on just one thing. You can still go back to the breath, looking it in, looking it out, and maybe looking at the spaces between the in-breath and the out-breath. But you might also want to pick a mantra. And a mantra can be a sound or a word that isn't loaded with a lot of meaning. It could be as easy as taking the number 1 and just say number 1, 1, 1, 1. You can count on the joints of your fingers to watch time go by and to give yourself a little bit of pace. If you're somewhere and you don't have a bell, or you simply want to stop and practice and take some time for quietness. The other device that helps a lot of us is to use a mantra. And as I say, the mantra can be the number 1, it can be some other sound. In the case of the Sanskrit language, Sanskrit is a very lyrical language, and because the words don't mean a lot to us, they make sibilant sounds that are very soothing and repetitive. And 2 versions of just saying, I am that, or I am the essence of myself, would be to say, so, hum. And so tends to accompany the in-breath, and hum tends to accompany the out-breath. Another version of the same meaning is sat nam. And sat is I am, I am. Sat nam, sat nam, sat nam, sat nam. So I will give you a beginning bell with a 2-minute interval bell, but this will be a sit for 6 minutes total. And so be comfortable, and here we go. Sat Nam. Take a few minutes, make a few notes. Perhaps they are notes without thinking, simply a package of where you are. Namaste.